Welcome everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, I am just going to talk about daily use sentence, short sentence. Why short sentence is important if you really want to learn English speaking. Why practice short sentence is really important to learn English speaking. First of all, I just want to tell you it is a 30 days English speaking practice date 13, and today I am just going to talk about short sentence. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, I just want to tell you, if you really want to improve your English speaking, if you really want that you can be fluent while speaking English, I just want to recommend every English learner, if you are in your initial stage of learning English, try to practice short sentence. First of all, I just want to tell you what is short sentence. A sentence where that is very short, very means to the point, like hurry up, keep silent, walk slowly, sit down, stand up. That that's all are short sentence. And if you are in your initial stage of learning English speaking, if you are consistently practice short sentence, I will make sure you can get a better result. But it is take time. It does not mean that you are practicing for 5 days and you need a result. No, I just want to tell you, if you feel, if you are confused, this is really happen, this is really give me a time that I can speak more better way, just try it. What is the going on, just try it. There is only two result. It is maybe it can work magically or not, so just try it. I just want to recommend you, try at least for 30 days. And I told and telling me that this going to be happen, this is going to improve your speaking skills or not. But try to practice short sentence. I just want to tell you, you don't need to rush on, you don't need to you practice daily use sentence or short sentence at least 50 sentence. No, just try to practice 10 sentence a day. That is enough for you. But you have to be consistent, you have to read those sentences again and again. And just try to, while you are talking with someone, just try to use that sentence in your conversation. Means that you are calling with someone, you are calling with your friend, and you are asking, how are you, how you doing, what are you doing, when you came here. So all are short sentence. So that is going to work for two ways. First, that you can practice short sentence, and also that help you to practice English speaking. I just want to tell you, short sentence is the magical trick. And if you really want to do with a consistency, I will make sure that you feel more confident while you are talking with someone. Because when you are practicing short sentence in a regular basis, you feel more confidence, and you feel that you can speak English more better way. Because when you are reading or practicing short sentence, your mind can store so much English content that help you while you are talking with someone. That's why, if you are in your initial stage of learning English, that's why I am just telling you, try to practice short sentence that is to the point. So just try it, and it really going to match. If I am talking about mine, I just want to tell you, I have practiced every time, every single day I am practicing short sentence. That really helped me to improve my English speaking. That also helped me to improve my communication skills, and I can feel more better way. While I am talking with someone, I feel more confident, and I feel that I can speak very fluently. So that is just because of short sentence, daily use sentence, or daily routine sentence. All are the same. But try to practice every single day, and I will definitely tell you that this is trick going to help you more better way. And I just want that try it at least for 30 days, and you feel more confident and you can speak English more better way. That's it in this video. If you feel that I can help you in this video, just try to click the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel because I always make a video that is really helpful for you. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.